yan? What will you promise mommy? Study very well or mommy will get your iPad? Ha? Ha? Promise? Ha? Promise? Uy. Bakit hindi ka nag-test kanina? Ha? Anong I don't like?
I don't know, sabi ko.
You don't know. Why?
Because I'm busy.
Saan ka busy?
Dito.
Galit si mommy. Next time, I won't let you play anymore. You like that? Ha? Uy. Answer mo na.
Yes.
Look at mommy.
Yes.
Look at mommy.
Yes.
Aral mabuti, okay? Hindi pwede tamad, ha? Ha? Okay? Okay?
Okay.